Hello and welcome again. Today we will talk about Nikola Corporation, ticker name NKLA. Finishing today 8:55. Let's magnify it a little bit. We see it's a red candle, and the question is, of course, where it's going to head. And quick answer is it's going to go down. There are a few negative indications here from the technical standpoint of view. First of all, what is important to remember, we are now sitting in the support line. It might be a little bit volatile here tomorrow as the final day of the trading, but what is important is not what's happening here, but what is happening here. So let's do quick analysis. So you see, after this action that was taking place March, April, and decline from moving average to 100, the red line, we see start another of descending move, very similar to what was observed also, for example, here. And this situation technically resembles this situation. So it will decline, and then once it finds its new support, it will bounce back. But here, it's still not this situation. So we will break this down. And the reason for this is that actually what is happening is very similar to, and here we need to look at RSI, stochastic RSI, especially at this situation, You see, it's a very familiar pattern, very similar pattern. It's very familiar to this one, taking place. So RSI will descend to some fluctuations at the bottom and only then will go up. And that's exactly what will be taking place here, which means, and this is actually a negative news. Let's bring it back for the magnification. And the negative news is that it will pierce downwards this support level, the green line, meaning that the price will go lower. And because there are no actual natural support levels historically formed, it's very difficult to predict when exactly it will stop and how deep it will go. This will be mainly dictated by actually market reaction. So I would just wait here until two indicators. So first indicator is when stochastic RSI will be at the bottom and will start bottoming and fluctuating in the bottom. And second, once we see any reverse pattern on candles, so something like, for example, green hammer or something like flying dragon candle, or let's draw those just for our information. So candle should be something red candle like this. Sorry, my drawing is maybe not good. Or something like this. So any candle indicating the upwards move should be here. And with this being said, I would now wait. So we need something like this, actually, something like combination of red and green candles. Before that, it's too early to do anything, too dangerous to do anything here. I would just wait. But what is important, once these rebounds will take place, once we find a new ground, a new support, the bounce back might be extremely significant until to this green line. So this green line should work as kind of a target for the price once we will have very strong descent. So keep this green line in mind. It will be midterm, let's say, target attractor or price attractor after we descend, which is very highly probable. And I'm just waiting to see this in coming days. Probably tomorrow, because it's still end of the week and the support line will be volatility doji here. Next week we'll have really strong descent, and then once we find our support line, whatever level it is, then we go upwards, and then this green line will work actually as a target price. With this being said, that's it for Nikola. Unfortunately, not good news for those who hope to trade immediately, but patience will be paid and rewarded. So wait for it, keep it in your watch list. I will definitely do. And good luck. If you like this way of analysis and study, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're first time here. Also check other videos. We have a lot of interesting discussions. And by the way, our videos are, they have a date stamp on it, but they are valid a couple of weeks because the situations we discuss here actually are to come in future. So if you look some videos that were published days ago, weeks ago, they're still okay because the situation probably is taking place right now that was discussed in previous videos. So have a look there as well. Good luck and see you at another episodes.